All right.
Wow.
We're recording.
Yeah.
1 toddler, 10 robots.
1, 2, 3, 5.
10.
5 Bobo.
Yeah, that's right. 10. You got the right fingers out.
I got the remote.
Oh, you got the remote. Who does the remote go to?
Whoa.
It goes to Cordy.
Yeah.
Okay.
What will you play? Mama. What, I got the new one. Wait. Mama, racing.
Woo!
Mama, gaga. I got it. Yeah. Mama. I'll help you away. Mama, most wait. Mama, I got new one. Mama, I have a new bottle. I'll come in the mail. I'll come in the mail.
Yeah.
Mama, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I did it. Uh-oh. I did it, Cody.
Whoa.
Whoa. A crash. Huh. I'm okay.
You're okay.
Boom. Mama.
I see that.
What is green? Mama, what's green?
Uh-oh. Julie is stuck.
What?
She's stuck. White E is stuck. There you go.
Mama, I'm cleaning your room.
Yay.
Now, I just want to get clean.
What's wrong?
I hope it work.
The other one's not working? I don't know where the mopping parts are to that one. We gotta find the bottom of that bubble, the mopping bubble.
Yeah.
How did it get lost?
I don't know.
All right, we'll go look.